Short but fun. Ganyan ang naging experience ng American comedian na si Conan O'Brien sa kanyang stay sa Pilipinas. Sa isang IG post, iflinex pa ni Conan ang isang 20 peso bill na may mukha niya. Biro ng komedyante, inaaresto na ang fan na gumawa ng bill. Ang super humble na Hollywood comedian na mapapanood sa GMA Prime series sa Sanggang Dikit. Kahit cameo ang role sa serye, dama ng lahat ng cast at crew ang warmth ng kanyang pagpapatawa.
Take good care of your body because it's really my body.
Kasama na ang kanyang mga kaeksena, ang mag-asawang Dennis Trillo at Jeneline Mercado.
I said, you can't hurt me! The winners!
You're under arrest!
For real? This is madness! This is chaos!
Yeah!
Very nice. You're scared. You're so scared. You're both terrified of me.
Ang sabi nga ng Jenden, a joy to work with si Conan.
Can I get a picture with the big stars, please? Yeah, here we go. Doing a photo? Guys, right here, please, right here.
Ang nakatutuwa pa sa guesting ni Conan sa serye, pinuna at iniangat ng Hollywood star ang galing ng Filipino stuntman. Nakausap ni Conan ang stuntman na si Mustafa sa kanyang podcast last year. At ngayon, kasama sa mga itinerary niya ang mamit ang stuntman sa pagbisita niya sa Pilipinas.
One of the reasons I wanted to do this show was to unveil the next action hero. He's from the Philippines, Mustafa. Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi.
He's going to be bigger than Vin Diesel, bigger than The Rock, bigger than all of them. He is charismatic, he's strong, he's a great fighter, and he did some action scenes for me today in this show. Nailed it.
It's an honor to be part of this. Really empowered that I am gonna do something great.